Hello, Cardinals, ASEAN Seafarers. We are open for the good experiences in the LPG ships, and we are need for master, chief engineer, chief officer, second engineer, second officer, third engineer, third officer, and fourth engineer. All top rank and top officers we needed for our LPG ships. If you have experiences more than 3 years experiences in the same rank and the same ship, you can apply for these vacancies. And for master, we are paying for 3 years experiences is 14,850 US dollar. Chief engineer is 15,550 US dollar. Chief officer and second engineer is the same. It will be 11,600. Second officer and third engineer is the same, that is 5,000, and third officer and fourth engineer is the same, that is 3,750. And for the automation engineer, we are paying in 7,650 US dollar. Please, the requirement is you need to have a good English, and you must have a completed document. So if you are applying with for these vacancies, you can send CV at the completed document. You can try to fill up our link database. If you cannot do it, you can send out your application to our emails, and we will put it in this video description. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.